Welcome to our first video of the Cybersecurity 101. In this video, we'll explore some of the top cybersecurity certifications that can jumpstart your career in the exciting world of digital defense. We'll dive into the benefits of each certification, examples of job roles they can lead to, certification exam prices, recommended study resources, and where you can take the exams. So, let's get started. First up, we have the CompTIA Security Plus certification. This foundational certification covers essential security concepts and practices, equipping you with a strong knowledge base to tackle real-world security challenges. By obtaining CompTIA Security Plus, you'll validate your knowledge of cybersecurity principles, gaining a competitive edge when applying for entry-level security positions. This certification is recognized globally and is vendor-neutral, which means you'll be prepared to work with a wide range of security technologies. With CompTIA Security Plus under your belt, you'll be eligible for roles like Security Specialist, IT Support Specialist, and Network Administrator. These roles are vital in safeguarding organizations' digital assets and maintaining a secure IT infrastructure. The certification exam typically costs around $349. This investment in your future is well worth it, as it opens the doors to a promising career in cybersecurity. To prepare for the CompTIA Security Plus exam, you can explore official study guides, online courses, and practice tests available through the CompTIA Learning Center. You can register for the CompTIA Security Plus exam through the official CompTIA website or authorized testing centers worldwide. Check for a nearby testing center on their website to schedule your exam conveniently. Next on our list is the Certified Ethical Hacker, CEH certification. This certification is all about learning ethical hacking techniques to identify and fix vulnerabilities in systems and networks. CEH certification proves your expertise in ethical hacking, making you an asset in organizations' efforts to assess and improve their security posture. As a certified ethical hacker, you'll be equipped to preemptively identify and counter cyber threats. Certified ethical hackers can work as penetration testers, security analysts, and information security officers. These roles involve actively searching for security weaknesses and implementing measures to fortify an organization's defenses. The CEH exam fee ranges from $1,199 to $1,899, depending on whether you opt for self-study materials or an official training course. While it might seem pricier, the potential rewards and salary increases in the cybersecurity field make it a worthy investment. To prepare for the CEH exam, you can access official EC Council training programs, practice labs, and study guides available on their website. You can take the CEH exam through EC Council authorized testing centers or online proctored exams. The EC Council website will guide you through the process of registration and provide details on available testing centers. Our next certification is the Certified Information Systems Security Professional, CISSP. It is a globally recognized certification for experienced security practitioners. CISSP certification demonstrates your expertise in security management and opens doors to high-level management and leadership positions. With CISSP, you'll be recognized as a security leader with a deep understanding of various security domains. CISSP holders often pursue careers as security consultants, chief information security officers, CSOs, and security managers. These roles require a strategic approach to security and decision-making at the enterprise level. The CISSP exam fee is approximately $699. While it might be higher than some other certifications, the prestige and career advancement opportunities make it a valuable investment. To prepare for the CISSP exam, you can access official study guides, online training, and practice tests offered by ISC2, the organization behind CISSP. The CISSP exam is available through Pearson VUE testing centers worldwide. Pearson VUE's website will guide you through the registration process and help you find a suitable testing center near you. Moving forward, let's explore the Certified Information Security Manager, CISM certification. This certification focuses on information risk management and governance, preparing you to tackle the complexities of cybersecurity management. CISSP certification showcases your expertise in managing, designing, and overseeing an enterprise's information security program. It demonstrates your ability to align security initiatives with business objectives. CISSP certified professionals are sought after for roles such as IT risk managers, compliance officers, and information security managers. These positions involve defining and implementing security policies, ensuring regulatory compliance, and managing security risks. The CISSP exam typically costs around $575 for ISACA members and $760 for non-members. Becoming a member of ISACA can provide cost-saving benefits, networking opportunities, and access to valuable resources. To prepare for the CISSP exam, you can explore ISACA's official study materials, review manuals, and virtual training sessions available on their website. You can take the CISSP exam at designated ISACA exam centers. The ISACA website offers detailed information on exam schedules, locations, and the registration process. And there you have it. A comprehensive overview of some of the top cybersecurity certifications for beginners. Obtaining these certifications can be a game changer for your career, granting you access to exciting job roles and opportunities in the ever-evolving field of cybersecurity. We hope this video has been helpful in guiding you towards the right certification to kickstart your journey in the realm of cybersecurity. Remember, investing in your education and professional development is the key to staying ahead in this dynamic and crucial industry. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content on cybersecurity, technology, and career development. Make sure to check out the video description. Until next time, stay secure and keep learning.